Hi, this is INFINIX Zero 30 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on or turn it off with the help of the switcher to allow some calls, messages or notifications from any people or apps, to set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to change the duration for quick settings and to display options for hiding notifications. Let's go back. Here we got the media, alarm, ringtone and notifications volume panels, and here we could change the volume level just by slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. We could switch the ringtone for SIM 1, SIM 2 and notification sound. Here we could switch the DTS sound from smart music, video games, and to activate or turn on the equalizer. We could also switch the haptic vibration settings. We could turn it on, turn it off, and change the level of vibration. We could increase incoming ringtone volume with the help of the switcher, and to switch vibration for calls option from always to vibrate to never. And in advanced options, we could activate or turn on the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, and touch sounds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.